Damn. Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Two Brothers Mining here, back with another daily crypto news recap. So, Kazakhstan crackdown forces 106 more crypto mines to close. Notable political and business figures were said to be behind some of the mines, including the brother of the former president. Not even going to try to pronounce that name. So, following China banning crypto, a lot of mines fled to Kazakhstan, and apparently 106 of them, or 106 more that are apparently illegal, were shut down. 55 of them closed voluntarily, and 51 of them were forced to shut down. The 51 that were forced were suspected of tax and customs evasions, and they placed the equipment in special economic zones without permission. They valued the equipment seized at over 193 million US dollars. The Financial Monitoring Agency has opened 25 criminal cases, and just over, or right around 67,000 machines. In late February, the government said it busted 202 megawatts worth of illegal crypto mines. So kind of interesting here. You know, a lot of those mines fled from China to Kazakhstan or surrounding countries, and a lot to Texas. So a little interesting to see them set up illegally in those countries. Don't really get it, because otherwise why wouldn't they stay in China if it was going to be illegal anyways? Why spend that money to move and then set up illegally again? Doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, but yeah, not my choice, I guess. So Crypto.com has good news for US-based crypto fans. The Crypto.com exchange is now available to waitlisted users with a progressive rollout scheduled over the coming months. So Crypto.com is technically an exchange in the US. They operate a lot like Coinbase. You know, you can attach your bank account or credit card and buy cryptocurrency with it, and then you can hold it on the exchange or send it off, you know, wherever you want, your own personal wallet or what have you. But what they're coming out with is more like Coinbase Pro. So you can transfer your assets from crypto.com or from your own wallet to the crypto.com exchange, and you can trade exclusively in cryptocurrencies. So there will be no fiat on-ramp to the exchange, at least to my knowledge. So essentially what I think it'll do is offer better rates of trading, kind of like Coinbase Pro, be a little bit cheaper to, you know, trade your BTC into Ethereum. So good on them. I think that's great. The more options that are out there, the better. So $450 million raises values Ethereum builder Consensys at $7 billion as MetaMask tops 30 million users. So this company Consensys owns MetaMask and owns what's that other company called? Infura, which is like the connection between MetaMask and the blockchain. So MetaMask has reached over 30 million monthly users, and Infura, which is the infrastructure tool created by Consensys, now boasts some 430,000 developers. That's insane. That's an incredible amount of people. But this is apparently doubled Consensys's market valuation, which is massive. Their last valuation was just in November, so to double basically the worth of your company from November to now is insane. Um, it's just wild. I mean, I'm sure everybody, or not everybody, but a lot of people have at least one MetaMask wallet. So they said that they will be having a major redesign of MetaMask scheduled for a release later this year, which should be interesting because it's not exactly the easiest to use. I mean, it's not that difficult, but adding different coins can be a little confusing, especially if it's not integrated into their system. So I'm uh, I'm looking forward to it. Should be should be worthwhile. Elizabeth Warren's anti-crypto crusade splits the left. So Elizabeth Warren and a slew of other, um, let's call them politicians, are extremely against cryptocurrency. She hasn't been shy about it. She wants crackdowns, protections, government control of it, uh, all sorts of things, and cites everything from financial crimes, environmental threats, uh, Russia sanctions, and everything in between. Um, I don't entirely get why she's got a hard on for it. I mean, crypto is for the people, right? It's a completely apolitical, unbiased form of currency at its core, right? So why the hate? It's, I don't know. Endangering, I guess, her financial. Yeah, I don't. I know she was in the news last year about, or maybe not last year, but right when COVID hit, so the year before, with what's it, selling a bunch of stock before they announced shutdowns, and you know she claims she doesn't know anything about it, that her advisor did it, or her husband did it, or her son's daughter's dog did it. Um, who knows? But that wouldn't be possible in cryptocurrency. So it's kind of interesting. She wants protection, for investors because the financial market clearly does that, for everybody right now. I mean, take a look at the stock market. Take a look at all the shenanigans that goes on there. Clearly, that is a much better option, right? I mean, geez. But the article does go on to have a lot of proponents for crypto. I'm not going to get too much into it. It's a pretty long article. But I guess what I'm trying to get at is that I just hope that they kind of slow roll it. They do little bits here and there as they learn more about crypto. And some of them are claiming that's what they want to do. Uh, it is still a very new space, but if you come in heavy handed, you could destroy the space. You can drive it underground, and people will still use it, but it'll be used for exactly what they don't want it to be used for. Um, so that's my take on it. Uh, I think it's fantastic. One of the best lines here that I saw was this guy Torres, a freshman member of the Congressional Progressive Caucus, uh, should embrace crypto if you want to remain or for New York, sorry, wrong part. Uh, Crypto and the underlying blockchain technology have the potential to lead to a better and cheaper, faster payment system. Uh, that right there is the reason why our current financial institutions are outdated, right? I mean, if I could send money to somebody across the pond in UK in a matter of seconds without paying ridiculous fees and all that, why wouldn't you want that? It's because they can't control it, they can't manipulate it. That's why they don't want you to have it. Something that is apolitical, something that is non biased, something that can never be racist. Uh, it's seriously the most perfect currency to date, and they hate it because they can't control it. That's all I'm going to say about that. Quick look at the market. Looks like we're doing not too bad. Uh, let's see if we could get Bitcoin above that 40K mark. That seems to be like the big resistance as of late. And if we can get Ethereum back up to that 3K, that would probably make a lot of people's day. But that's all I got for you guys today. Hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy this. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another daily crypto news recap. Stay safe and stay tuned.
Thank